everyone, welcome back to Tip Time Thursday, and today's tip is about cleaning grout lines on a tile floor. When I moved here, I decided I was saying goodbye to carpet because of my dogs. I didn't want to have the mess of cleaning carpet, so I had tile installed almost all the way throughout my new house. After a year went by, I noticed that my grout lines just did not look the same as when the tile was first installed, and I tried just about everything to clean the grout lines, and I just couldn't get them clean. And then I happened to see a tip from a fellow YouTuber called Clutterbug, and her tip really helped me out. I really liked it. I cleaned my whole floor with it and probably disinfected it too. And my secret cleaner is toilet bowl cleaner. You just fill up the grout line with toilet bowl cleaner, leave it sit there for about 10 minutes. You can even see it start to bubble and the dirt come up, and then you scrub it with a toothbrush. And then take a wet mop, or I used wet towels, and I wiped up the whole floor. It turned out shiny and spotless and germ-free and clean. And so this is my tip for cleaning grout lines on the floor, and I love it. It works great. If you enjoy my tip times, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please check out my website where you can subscribe for weekly updates and decluttering and cleaning tips. Thanks. See you next week.